Hello everyone, welcome back to the MHK classes. MHK classes is an educational channel and I hope you are doing well. Today in this video we are coming with an equations of motions of 3 equations. If you are new on this channel, I remember you that before start the video, on this channel we are regular upload a new video related to math and science. So if you are interested to learn something about class 9 science, so you must subscribe the channel and like the video and share the video. So today's video we are going to learn 3 equations of motion, how to use, what is the situation where it is used, in which numerical we apply that 3 equations. So we all clear it in this video. Equations of motions, there are 3 equations in equations of motion we have to learn in class 9 chapter motion. V is equal to u plus at is first equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square is our second equation, and last one is v square u square plus 2as, where the parameter is v stand for final velocity, u stand for initial velocity, and ax stand for acceleration, and t stand for time, and s stand for displacement or distance, you can say. But mainly problem we have created that where it is used, in which numerical we have applied these equations. So we have cleared it. There first equations of motion where it is used. Situation of an object. First of all, we carefully read the questions, what is saying the questions. Situation of an object where each equation of motion is used. V is equal to u plus at is used to find the final velocity. Whenever you know u, a and t, whenever you have already know, then you can use this equation to find the final velocity. Okay, this equation of first equation. Example, we have already taken the example to solve and clear the equations. A car is moving with initial speed 10 meter per second. The driver press the accelerate at 20 meter per second square for 5 seconds, then its final velocity is. So first of all, we have remembered it to note down the parameters given in the questions. So here a car is moving with initial velocity, means u is equal to what? 10 meter per second. This is initial velocity. The driver press the accelerate, means a is equal to 2 meter per second square. Okay, for 5 seconds, t is equal to 5 seconds. So it is very easy for us. Now we will use this formula because then its final velocity is, we have to find v. So we written the equation and use the equation here in this condition. So we know that v is equal to u plus at, where u is given 10 meter plus a is given 2 meter per second, and t is given 5 seconds. 10 and 2 5s are 10, 20, and the unit of velocity is meter per second. So this is the solution of these questions, how to we use the equations of motion, first equation of motion. Now we comes on second equations of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square is used to find the distance travel when you know u, t and a. When you have to know u, a, t, and I repeat that word. You always learn in the questions what is given. You record the parameter in the question. There is in this equation is used whenever you have to find displacement or distance. Whenever you have to find displacement or distance. S for displacement. A bus start from rest, okay, and accelerate 1 meter per second square, yes, for 10 seconds, and then distance cover will be. You must read the questions slowly and try to understand each and a word. Here a bus start from rest. Rest means to stop and then start, stationary position. So here we write u is equal to 0 because start from rest, initial velocity is 0, and accelerate 1 meter per second. A is equal to 1 meter per second is our acceleration. T is equal to 10 second. 8 cover will be, for then distance cover will be. These parameters are given. We will use s is equal to ut plus half at square. So here we use s is equal to ut plus half at square. Ut u 0, t is equal to what? 10 second, and plus half at is equal to 1 meter per second, and t is equal to 10. 0 10s are 0, plus 2 1 is 2, 2 5s are 10, and 5 1s are 5. Then the final answer will be 5 meter. This is the displacement or the distance, 5 meter. Now we comes on third equations of motions. V square is equal to u plus square to s is used to find distance when you know u, v and a. A stone is thrown upward with initial velocity 20 meter second and comes to rest at the maximum height. What is height? So here we will use this equation of motion. Suppose a stone is thrown upward with initial velocity 20 meter. U is equal to 20 meter per second and comes to rest. Then final velocity is 0 at maximum height. What is height. What is height? So we have to find the height. What is height? So first of all, we know that the acceleration, what is the acceleration, is used here to find the velocity of u. V is equal to 0, u is equal to v, and the final velocity what will be? Here height is denoted the displacement of s. So we can use this formula here. V is square is equal to u square plus 2as. We have to find s in these equations. So v is equal to 0 because v is given 0 and u is equal to that, means minus 2as is equal to, and acceleration is 9.8 to the downward direction, and u is equal to 20. Then s is equal to 20 and 9.8.